Hi everyone, I wanted to quick jump on and do a little overview of our course, and maybe that'll further clarify any questions that you might have about what to expect this term. So I'm in my student preview mode. This should be what you see as well. You'll start off always in the announcements section. Be sure to read the announcements. Make sure you know any updates that are posted. You've got the course calendar that says when everything is due. You can easily quickly pull this up and you'll see all the due dates for everything in here. You've got your grades where you can see upcoming grades. You can click on to view rubrics. Once you get a score, you can click on that to see more info in my comments. Under the orientation section here, you've got the start here, my professor information, and the syllabus. Please be sure to especially read about the late policy. Next, we're going to come to coursework. And right now you'll notice you can see the Start Here folder, week 1 and week 2. You will always be able to see at least the current week and the next week. And that is just to help you plan out your time and figure out if you want to work ahead, that's fine. If you want to just look ahead, that's fine. But I want to give you the option because I know some people, their time is precious right now with everything going on. So let's click into this first week. The outside of the folder told you like a little overview and what was due. Here's a weekly checklist. You'll want to check this to see everything that's due. Our overview and objectives. And then in this one we have the 2 learning modules. I'll click on the first one. What you can do with these, you've got a couple choices. You can page through just one page after the other. Or if you want to, in this table of contents over here, you can jump ahead. So say you stopped at the try it problem number 4, you can jump right back to that. So usually you'll have a weekly discussion, you'll have your guided notes, your lecture videos. The try it problems are completely optional, but they're helpful. And all the solutions to the try it problems are right after the problem is posted. Then you can click this learning module 1 sampling data part B. So if I want to just jump to that next learning module, just click there. And this continues with the lectures and the try it problems. And then at the bottom you'll notice, so the end of the learning module part B, most of our weeks have a part A and part B. You'll have your assignments, so guided notes, the practice problems are here. I'm just going to click on this. Exams, your projects, anything you have to turn in is usually posted at the end here. So for the guided notes, you can read all the information here. Submit those. Let me know if you have any questions on those. And then we can go to the practice problems. And where it says click to launch, just click here and you'll be taken to the weekly practice problems. The thing to note about our practice problems is they are graded based on effort. So don't stress if you don't know the answer, just guess, make your best guess, try them. They're graded on completeness and effort. Guided notes, the same, they're graded on completeness and effort. So that's a brief overview of our course, so I will go over to the discussion board. So the discussion boards, they will show up. You can also read here as well as in the coursework folder, but here's the description as well. The discussion boards, you have your initial response is due Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. and then you need to respond to at least 2 peers by Sunday. So Wednesday is your initial post is due, and then Sunday at 11:59 p.m. is the rest of it. If you've got any questions, just shoot me an email, let me know, and I'm more than happy to help you guys. Looking forward to seeing you in class.